VideoPush Phase 2 in exacqVision 26.0. This feature enables users to share recorded video search results from the mobile app to other mobile or desktop clients using VideoPush. With VideoPush, you can collaborate faster by instantly sharing relevant footage with colleagues or supervisors. Enjoy cross-device support, working seamlessly across mobile and desktop clients. Benefit from permission-aware sharing. If a user doesn't have access, they won't see the video. Make investigations more efficient, reducing time spent coordinating reviews across sites or remote teams. To perform a multi-camera search, select a camera and click the three dots icon in the top right corner. Select the search with option. Add any additional cameras by selecting the plus icon. A green added message will be displayed. From the results page, tap the three dots in the bottom right corner and select the VideoPush option. Choose the required device from the list of available clients. For this example, I'm going to push the result to my desktop PC. Tap the Share with Clients button, and your video is on its way. You can also push cameras from the desktop client to your mobile device by selecting the VideoPush icon in the top right corner. An accept or reject message will be displayed on your device. Click the Accept button. VideoPush Phase 2: fast, secure, and built for collaboration.